I think it is time you finally get FlixVision to your Firestick. It is basically the only app you need on your Firestick to totally cancel Netflix or any other of your subscriptions, because here you get thousands of newest movies and TV shows, and it all is totally free of charge. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in the app, but trust me, you are going to like it. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get and set up FlixVision to your Firestick. And the very first step is of course getting the app called Downloader to your Firestick and then turning on developer options on your Firestick. If you have done it in the past, then there is no need to do it again, but if you don't know if you have the downloader downloaded to your Firestick and set up properly, then watch this part of the video as well. So to get the downloader, by the way it's totally free of charge, we have to go to the search bar on your Firestick. To open the search bar, click on that button with a magnifying glass, then click on search, and in here we will be able to use this keyboard to get the downloader on your Firestick. So you all just have to start typing downloader, and usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because, as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and now that is the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got that orange downloader app, it is not over yet and not ready to use yet, because we still have to set it up by turning on developer options. To do that, we have to go to settings on your Firestick. So you have to select that button with a gear icon in the right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open that. And now in here, as you can see, I already have developer options on my Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options, which now did appear for us. So just open them, make sure to locate and turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps, and in here all you have to do is locate the downloader application and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we are going to do right now. So let's go back to the list of apps near Fire TV Stick, open it, and there you will be able to locate the downloader now. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. So if you know what a VPN is, it's an app that allows you to stay totally safe and anonymous online by encrypting all your internet traffic. This way, your internet provider cannot track you, snoop on you, or know what you are doing online, which is really important. In my opinion, NordVPN is one of the best choices for customers because they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other of your devices because you can connect all of them to a VPN at the same time. And it's actually really easy to use. All you have to do is select any location. Let's say you will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And it is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, we'll start using the downloader safely. So let's head back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is. Open it and then finally go to the downloader app on your device. Let's open it up together. And now here you see such a search bar. We'll need to open it. And then there's the keyboard, which we can use to enter the link or the code to access the FlixVision application. In our case today, we'll be using a code, and the code for that will be 492152. So once again, it is 492152. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on go, and while it is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. It usually doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection, so it takes no more than 10 seconds to download the app. But after the app got downloaded, we of course also need to install it to our Firestick. So we click install and just wait for a couple of seconds again until the installation is totally finished. And then I do not recommend on clicking open straight away. Instead of that, click done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, because you don't need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And it's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV, which is right here, let me open it. And here at the bottom you will find the FlixVision app, which we just got for you. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote, and it is the button with 3 horizontal lines, which is located right next to the home button on your remote. So you click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be super easy for you to access this app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep your VPN connected and running to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the FlixVision. Так, будем блюрить весь экран. And now here, finally, you get access to thousands of movies and TV shows, including all the new movies, which are only available in movie theaters. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.